This screencast will demonstrate how to set up a blog using Blogger in conjunction with your Google account. The first thing you will have to do is sign in to Blogger. You will see a welcome sign and you can confirm your Blogger profile. Next, you will have to come up with a display name for your blog. Blogger will ask you a variety of questions knowing you are a first-time user. It will also give you tips and hints. If you don't want to take the time to read these, you can continue to create new blog. Here you have to come up with a title for your blog, as well as a unique URL or address. If the address is available, you will get this check mark, and you'll be able to create your blog. I am just going to use a simple template. Again, Google or Blogger may ask you questions as you do the initial setup. I almost always say no thanks to everything. You can also close out the tips and tricks once you've read them. Your working dashboard will look something like this. Before you do any sort of posting, you may want to go into settings and work on how you want to accept comments. Be sure that your language is correct, time zones, etc. You can also go into the template and choose a variety of ways to customize the look of your blog. You can do your own customization, or you can choose something that's pre-created for you. For example, if I like the look of this, I can apply this template to my blog. And now my blog will look like this on the web and this on a mobile device. You may also go in and play with the layout of your blog. That's how columns and rows look. Or you can leave it the way it is and simply save that arrangement. When you are ready, you can go to posts and just immediately start a new post. Now, this I called a student technology help desk. At this point, I may ask my students that are working on this blog, because you can have multiple authors, to post information on how they fix common computer problems or technical issues. I am just going to give you a sample of how one would post a simple blog post. This screencast is really just the initial setups and the basic ideas behind blog posting. Blogging can get as complicated as you would like it to, and there are multiple things that you can do to your blog to set it apart from someone else's, to make it unique, or just to give it your own personal flair. When you're ready just to start a new post, and this would most likely be an introductory post, you simply hit New Post, and you will see that it looks similar to a word processing page. You always start with a post title. I don't normally change anything in this area because this is all set up in the layout, and I get right into what I want my post to say. Once your title is set, then you can get to the information of your post. Perhaps the students want to inform people about some MacBook basics. They would just go ahead and type in that information here. Once finished, they can save their post, or if they think it's ready to be published to the web, they can publish it. This is going to save right now as a draft because it's incomplete. I would encourage my technology help desk students to try to do a post every day about something they've either fixed or maybe a tech tip, or maybe even create a screencast of how to do something using Book Creator or Explain Everything. Students can use Blogger in its most simplest format, or they can go to a very complicated level. It's truly up to the individual. Blogger is a great way to list your ideas, organize your thoughts, hone your writing skills. You might post something that makes a big difference to somebody else. So that's Blogger in a nutshell. Thanks.